Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about how to grow an English daisy, also known as Bellis Perennis. It's a beautiful, beautiful perennial that comes back from year to year from all parts of Europe. Bellis is found all over Europe, even into northern Africa, and I like to think of it as being English, which is England is actually part of the United Kingdom, so on most maps you'll see it as United Kingdom. London is the capital, and you find them all over the countryside. Just gorgeous little daisies that come in whites and pinks and reds, and they're just a gorgeous little plant for your garden. So this is a little pomponette daisy. It's also known as the English daisy, and it's a Bellis Perennis. And they come in all different colors. This one's just a little pink color. It's November, so it's starting to fade a bit. It's getting a little bit frosty out. It's been outside, so it's not looking perfect, but it's still a gorgeous plant. They like sun or part shade, and you can start them by seed in the spring, or you can actually just start it by division. As long as you have a root and a start, they will grow. And they come in red, rose, white flowers, and they're very low growing, so they make a nice ground cover too. And you can put them in beds or borders, and they like well-drained soil, good compost, so that's the best thing that you can give them. So Bellis Perennis are hardy to zone 4. They can handle really cold climates, and they will grow from year to year to year, and they multiply quickly, so they can almost become invasive. You've got to almost be careful with them. But they're a gorgeous plant that makes a ground cover as well, and they're just a gorgeous addition to your garden.